Houseplant friends, welcome back to my channel, or hi if you're new. My name is David, and on today I'm gonna be giving you guys a houseplant tour. Oh, I do have a good amount of houseplants in my bedroom to the point that it could be a pretty good video. So without any further ado, let's just get started. But before we do start, if you enjoy these type of videos, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, because I upload every single day. I try to, and yeah, so let's just get started. It's a little bit messy. I tried my best to clean it up, and there are some plants, for example this beautiful marble queen pothos that needs some watering. I love to wait. I know it's like not that good, but I like to wait until like they're bone dry, and then I give them a good soak of bottom watering, and they bounce back like nothing has ever happened. So I guess we can start. I always start on this side. Let's start on this table. So at the very bottom we have this beautiful fiddle leaf, and I ended up propagating all the tips that it had, if I can find, as you guys can see right there. And then I ended up placing it outside because it was not growing any new leaves at all. And look, new. And just like the other ones, I also ended up cutting that part. And here's a new shoot, and here's another one. And same over here, this one as well, and this one as well. Oh my god, I'm so in love with it. And I know she's really enjoying just the warm temperatures and all the indirect and bright direct light that she's getting as well. So I have her right in my southwest facing window, which is literally this window. I guess over here behind the curtains is my string of hearts, and she is in bloom, as you guys can see. The shadow, but not the shadow, but like, you know, it looks like a shadow, but it's not. But look at all those flowers, aren't they so beautiful? Stunning. Alrighty, so we have some really sad begonias over here that I'm trying to like bring back to life. A beautiful peperona that also needs some bottom watering. My pitcher plants, or mucky cup. This other beautiful begonia. Another peperonia. And then some 3 containers that I'm propagating some Cebu blues to give away on future videos. This other beautiful begonia that I just got at my grocery store, and I'm just so in love with the leaves. It has like such a beautiful like red color in it, and I'm just so in love. And then we got some snake plants that I'm also propagating. Let me show you guys those roots. Oh my god. There is the regular, like the one that you always see, the moonshine sansevieria and the black dragon sansevieria. This is the black dragon sansevieria. Here's some more beautiful begonias. A philodendron micans that I am propagating, and I feel like it was successful because there's a lot of new shoots. This really sad crocodile fern, which looks a lot better, but my boyfriend got it for me from the grocery store, and it had like fungus in it, so I gave her some really good hydrogen peroxide, and she seems like she's doing a lot better. This Cebu blue from propagations. Mother of 1,000, I believe so. Really pretty. Madagascar tree, limelight, Drancina. That she was outdoors and she got some winter, like not winter damage, but it was really cold outside, so she got a little bit of some damage. This gorgeous neon pothos. Spider plants, Swiss cheese, super pretty. Look at this new leaf, adorable. Black ZZ Reverend plant. My OG, oh, you can see some soil. Excuse the mess. Cebu blue philodendron, or just Cebu blue, because I know some people say it's philodendron or pothos or epirelium, something like that. I don't know, but she is known as a Cebu blue. She's, I believe, like about to be 3 years old, so she is one of my OGs. Boogie Philodendron. Look at this new leaf, it's so shiny and pretty. A beautiful maranta, the red maranta, with some new leaves popping up. Beautiful. My really sad looking marble queen pothos. But just look at those leaves. Beautiful. Snake plants. And this really like rustic looking terracotta pots. Chinese evergreen silver bay that has a yellow leaf, but it's one of the old ones, so I'm not that stressed out. Or not stressed out, but like worried. This really beautiful marble queen photos as well. No, actually this is a Manjula photos, but also this is like something that I was talking about in my Instagram stories a while back, and somebody said it's reverting back. But you guys, if you look at this green one, it has like green variegation. Where is it? Is it this one? No, see, because this is the Manjula photos, because you can see the entire plant, which is not this one, but so this is the Manjula photos. But some of these really green basic looking leaves have a green variegation, and if you trace it back, all the leaves from the very beginning, because there's like 2 plants in this pot, from the very beginning they were always green. So I don't know if it's that like really rare pothos that has like green variegation in it, but I am propagating it. It's over here, my beautiful kitty. It's over here. Some propagations, and yeah. Let me put it back. She's a little bit heavy. Alrighty. And this is all I have in those 2 shelves and that table. I forgot this really, oh, I guess that's in that section. A regal shield. A location. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Milky Way cast iron. It seems like she wants to be repotted because she's like really getting a little bit like, you know, looks like she looks root bound. I need to check the roots. TriStar Strumenti. And then on this side we have a, oh, you're not Asparagus Fern, you're a Staghorn Fern. And she's really pretty. I do want to mount her like in a piece of wood and hang her in that direction. I have it right next to my humidifier, which by the way is amazing. I'm really in love with it, but it doesn't have any water, so I need to go buy some water again. But I love it. My green ZZ ribbon plant that really looks root bound, so I'm gonna need to repot her in the spring. This is very long. Cute Fittonia, aka nerve plant. Gensina, another nerve plant. Alrighty, and then over here we got my Asparagus Fern that is pushing out. This was so small yesterday and now it's getting like so big. I don't know about the leaves, they look so delicate. So I'm gonna give her some fertilizer because she is putting out a lot of new growth. But super exciting. Moonshine Sansevieria. Look at that little baby. It's so freaking cute. My OG Brazil Philodendron. Oh my god, I've given her so many haircuts and that's just my trick to make it more full and bushy. Beautiful. I believe you are the Maria Syngonium, judging by how red your leaves are. But it is a Syngonium. Sparkling Sarah Agluminia. I love the pink stems. It's just so pretty. I did saw one at Lowe's and it had very white stems. So I don't know. I might get that one, I might not. But right now I'm enjoying the pink stems. Light pink. And that's it on this entire wall. Alrighty, now over here we have a very thirsty green heartleaf philodendron. At the top we have, this is some steeple blues that I was propagating. Sorry about that sound, I'm like stepping on my bed right now to reach the top. And then this is also some propagations, my steeple blue and neon pothos. Black Dragon Sansevieria. Look at that new leaf. Yay! I know this is a Sansevieria, but I forgot her name. Oh my god. I think it's called the Spaghetti Sansevieria. Really, really fun. Madagascar tree and a mini monstera. Artisoperma rapidora. I always say it incorrectly, but if you know, you know. If not, you can just call it mini monstera. Alrighty, now on this really cute shelf, we have this beautiful umbrella plant. Then we have the variegated one. My cute aloe, Chinese money plant, rubber tree, I just ended up finding out her name. It's I know it's an orchid, but a cactus. Orchid cactus. Lord have mercy, but I know, but it had a different name as well when I bought it. It was called the Monstrisa cactus, but when I googled it, it said orchid cactus. So, but I love when it puts out new leaves because it has this really soft looking green, reddish, pinkish look on it. Really pretty. Alrighty, now we have this propagations that I'm doing. Some petunias that I ended up propagating. My Boogie Philodendron that I was propagating by nose, and as you guys can see, it's really, really full. Another propagation of my mini monsteras. A snake plant. And some propagations that I did with the peperonia. And then here's another propagation from the corn plants. Another really beautiful Fetonia. My Prince of Orange that has been through so much, but she's looking a lot better. And my second Black Raven ZZ plant. Super beautiful. I just got this one. The one that you guys saw was my OG one, and this is a new one that I saw. I'm so in love with it. At the very bottom, we have the pink striped calathea that I struggle with so much. Some polka dot enjoying begonia propagations, which isn't looking so good. And then this really pretty calathea. Alrighty, over here we have this pros or potos enjoy. These really, really pretty potos. My Chinese evergreen snake plant. My variegated peace lily or domino peace lily. Look at this leaf, isn't it so beautiful? And at the bottom we have this really pretty calathea. I thought it was a calathea, but at the very bottom it shows the actual name. Zenanti. So gorgeous. I got her at Walmart. Alrighty, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!